All right, in our third flight today, I'm going to try this last toy. This also comes in the Cinema Kit. It's the beacon. My understanding is it's should be giving it a better lock so that it can follow me around. So rather than having to use the software to identify me as a target, it will just follow this instead, and I still have some basic controls over it as well. So after I launch, it should turn around and point at me. I can still have some basic control, and then as I move around, if you in the other video, you know, at some point it said it lost target. Hopefully that won't happen this time, and we'll test it out and see if I can lose it anyways. So bear with me if I remember how these controls work. I think we hold this one down. Oh, now it's ready. Okay, here we go. Now it's launching. Select for motion travel. Okay, here it goes. Should be pointing at me now. In the tutorial videos, it has some instructions on how you can operate it. I don't remember everything, but looks like we can play around with how it's going to follow me around in different modes, kind of like I was doing with my phone. Maybe we'll do this so it's a little further away. Oh, this one should make it back off. Okay. Yeah, let's bring it a little closer maybe. And the video supposedly has this drag and drop where I point at and I go like this. And then it zooms off that way to follow me. That's pretty cool. Go like that. Oh, maybe I didn't get it. Okay. So now it's back behind me. It's gonna follow me around. Now let's see if I can go hide from it behind these rocks. Oh, I can't escape yet. I gotta run faster. Okay, I guess it found me again. Well, pretty cool. Let's just go for a walk. See what happens. So it's just tracking me on the left now. Pretty good. It's gonna crash in that tree. Oh no. Let's bring it closer. They do say you have to be careful with branches with no leaves, which we have a lot of this time of year. Let's have it go behind me. Pretty good. All right, let's see. I don't quite remember how it works to land with the beacon, but we're over a pretty good landing area. Let's bring it over here and see if it just wants to land on the dirt. I think I can just push this button. No, maybe this one. Okay, now we gotta figure out how to land. Maybe I need my phone for it. I think it's one of these buttons, but I forgot which one. All right, we'll just tell it to return to launch point. And we'll see if it can land on the box this time. I think it's going to go for the dirt. It didn't see the box. Pretty good. Another successful flight. 0 crashes. Pretty good for a day. I think we'll call it a day, and hope you enjoyed all these videos of our brand new toy, Skydio 2.